have you heard about SINBAD Network but aren't sure of what it is or how it works? In this video, we will explore the SINBAD Network ecosystem, explain its tokens, mobile mining system, gaming features, and show how users participate in the platform. Let's get started. What is in SINBAD Network? SINBAD Network is a Web3 ecosystem designed to bring together mobile mining, blockchain, technology, gaming, NFTs, and community rewards. The platform allows users to earn digital assets through participation rather than expensive mining equipment. Its goal is to create an ecosystem where users can mine, play games, and earn rewards and interact with the growing community. How does it work? The process is simple. Step 1. Download the SINBAD Network app. Step 2. Register an account. Step 3. Activate mining sessions regularly through the app. Step 4. Earn ecosystem rewards and participate in games and community activities. Unlike traditional cryptocurrency mining, users don't need powerful computers or expensive hardware.